These are the puppies, and this is their 6th-week birthday. And as you can tell, they're all sleeping and lazing and doing so well. And I'm so proud of them all. They're just beautiful. So today, I'm going to take their picture slowly so you can see them all. They are darling. And they're all getting along so beautifully with each other. These are all long-coat, long-haired German Shepherds with Serena and Valiant as mom and dad. So hello. Oh, and you're so excited too, huh? And here's mom. This is Serena. I'll move away so you can see her better. Serena, stay. Good girl. Thank you for showing us off. And Valiant, I know you're nearby. Oh, you're right under me. Hello, Valiant. Here's my dad. Oh, and there's mom. Valiant, come over here and sit. Sit down. Good boy. And that's Valiant. That's the daddy. Serena, sit down. Good. And that's mommy. And you two stay so I can take a nice shot of you guys. Thank you. And this is the Svet's House German Shepherds, and they are the long coats. Happy birthday, 6 weeks old.